is my 200SX, and I wanted to make it into a sil80. I thought I'd do it as cheaply as possible. So I'm going to give you a little run through on how much everything cost and what it is. Headlights are original Labo combat eyes. Are they road legal? I don't think so, but when's that ever been a problem? I have no idea where the bumper's from, but I got it with the wings from a friend for about 200, and the headlights were 240, I think. As far as the bonnet goes, do I want to spend £300 on a fiberglass one? Not really. So the plan is, I know it's not going to fit properly, and it's already fucking crash damaged anyway, but just weld over the top. Obviously, I'm not doing that because I'm very unqualified, but might as well make use of what I already have. Yeah, I'm not really sure what to say, to be honest. This side is not ideal. Need a tyre for that. Don't know why the inside the wall's red as well, but that's not really my problem, is it? So this is what the headlights look when they are on. I mean, they're not the brightest thing in the world, but I mean, they are kind of blinding. I'm intrigued to see what it's like on the road, but we'll have to see about that. But yeah, essentially, that is all there is to it. Kind of need a grill. Am I going to get one? Definitely fucking not. But yeah, not really a lot else to say, to be honest.